Hi, my name is Shaun Brookhouse, and I'm thrilled to be joining you all for the virtual hypnosis event of the year, the NGH 2021 Virtual Convention. I'll be talking about utilizing effective metaphors in your hypnotism practice. As the great social anthropologist Gregory Bateson said, metaphors are not just pretty poetry. When we use metaphor effectively, we can help create an environment for change that our clients can use to achieve their goals in a novel and unique way. This goes beyond the use of hypnotic scripts and taps into both the hypnotist and client's creative unconscious to facilitate movement and change. I do hope you'll join me for this fun and informative course. See you on the 14th of August at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The course number is 22105. If you want to ask me anything before the course, please feel free to email me at shaun@hypnomanchester.co.uk. See you in August.